हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, स्वागत है आप सभी का हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल क्लासरूम वाइब्स में। टुडे आई एम हियर विद अ न्यू प्रैक्टिकल प्रॉब्लम नंबर 4। द क्वेश्चन इज John and Rock are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 2:1. There are two partners and the ratio is 2:1. The capitals were rupees 2 lakh and 1 lakh respectively. The partnership deed provides that interest on capital is to be allowed at the rate 10% per annum। जो हमारी इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल हमें पार्टनर्स को देनी है, प्रोवाइड करनी है, वो 10% पर एनम के रेट से प्रोवाइड करनी है हमको। और प्रॉफिट ऑफ द फर्म फॉर द ईयर एंडेड 31 मार्च 2025 वॉज रुपीज 15,000। जो प्रॉफिट है हमारा वो 15,000 रुपीज है। एंड क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग यू टू प्रिपेयर प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट। सो इफ आई say what is the nature of this question, so in this question you will come to know, आपको पता चलेगा कि इस क्वेश्चन में जो इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल है या जो अप्रोप्रिएशन है वो आपका अवेलेबल प्रॉफिट से ज़्यादा होने वाला है। और जब ऐसी सिचुएशन हमारे सामने आती है तो उसको कैसे ट्रीट करना है ये हम सीखने जा रहे हैं हमारे इस वीडियो में। अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, बेल आइकन को दबा दीजिए ताकि हमारे वीडियोस की सारी अपडेट्स आपको मिल सकें। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का वीडियो। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू प्रिपेयर फॉर्मेट ऑफ P&L अकाउंट दैट यू ऑलरेडी नो। we have done 3 questions. So the format is simple. We have to write a top profit and loss appropriation account, and in bracket we have to mention for the year ending whatever date is given in the question. If it is given, then you mention the date, otherwise you just, like as you are seeing on the screen, you can put dot 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 and bracket close. The 4 columns, particulars amount. Okay, so first thing what we do, first thing we transfer profit or loss whatever we have in our question. So in our question we have, can see we have profit of the firm for the year ended 31st March 2025 was rupees 15,000. So profit is given 15,000. So we have to transfer profit first, and the entry is profit and loss account debit to profit and loss appropriation account. So we have to transfer on credit side as by P&L account, and in bracket we can mention net profit. And the amount is already we know 15,000. Thereafter we have to see what other things are given in the questions, like interest on drawings, interest on capital, salary, commission. So we have only partners capital and 10% interest on capital. So we have to provide, or we have to allow interest on capital to partners. So providing interest on capital to partners, the entry is profit and loss appropriation account debit to interest on capital. So debit side or left hand side, you have to write to interest on capital, and then you have to write the names of partners. Partners name are John and Rock. So first of all we have to write John, and just below John we can write Rock. Then we have to calculate interest on capital. So we have to calculate interest on capital of John and Rock. So the capital are, so first of all we will calculate interest on capital for John. So John's interest on capital is equal to 2 lakh, that is the capital of John, into 10%, 10 upon 100. This is the rate of interest on capital. So if you divide 2000 multiply by 10 upon 10, if you solve it, you will get 20,000 rupees. Okay, so John's interest on capital is 20,000 rupees. Then we have Rock, our second partner. So we have to calculate Rock's interest on capital also. Rock's capital is given 1 lakh. Rate is same 10%, and we will solve it, so we will get 10,000 rupees. So we can see that John's interest on capital is 20,000 and Rock's interest on capital is 10,000. So here total interest on capital is rupees 30,000. That is more than the available profit which is 15,000. इस बार जो हमारा इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल आया है, और वी कैन से जो अप्रोप्रिएशन आया है वो अवेलेबल प्रॉफिट से ज़्यादा है। एंड एज वी नो वी कैन नॉट प्रोवाइड अप्रोप्रिएशंस मोर देन अवेलेबल प्रॉफिट। अगर हमारे पास प्रॉफिट कम है तो उस प्रॉफिट से ज़्यादा हम अप्रोप्रिएशंस पार्टनर्स को नहीं दे सकते हैं। In our case, we cannot provide interest on capital more than 15,000. So in at all we can provide what is 15,000. So in this case, what we have to do, we have to write interest on capital of John and Rock, and we have to convert in ratio. We have to convert it in ratio because we have less profit, so we cannot provide 20,000 to John and 10,000 to Rock. So better we convert this 20,000 and 10,000 in ratio, and then the available profit will be distributed in this ratio to John and Rock. Okay, so you can see it's written here, interest on capital will be allowed in 2:1 from the available profit, that is rupees 15,000. This 2:1 we got. John's capital is 20,000, Rock's capital is 10,000. So we are converting it in ratio. For getting ratio, what we can do, we can cut 40 with 4 zeros. Only thing that is remaining 2 and 1. So 2 for John and 1 for Rock. So that is 2:1. Now we will actually calculate John's interest on capital and Rock's interest on capital based on the available profit. So our profit is given 15,000 and the ratio which we got by converting interest on capital is 2:1. So we will divide that 15,000 rupees in 2:1. So for John's interest on capital, the calculation will be 15,000, that is profit R, into 2/3. 2 is the ratio for John and 3 is the sum of both the ratios. Okay. So 15,000 into 2/3, you will get 10,000. So John's interest on capital will be 10,000. And then Rock's interest on capital. Now we'll calculate Rock's interest on capital, that is 15,000 into 1, that is the ratio of Rock, divided by 3. So we'll get 5,000. So we can provide as interest on capital to John 10,000 and Rock 5,000. That is equal to our available profit. So now we can write in front of John, we can write John's interest on capital, that is 10,000 rupees. In front of Rock's, we can write Rock's interest on capital, that is 5,000 rupees. And the sum is 15,000. So whatever profit we have provided as interest on capital to John and Rock. Now in this question, both the sides are equal. Debit side 15,000 as well as credit side's total is also 15,000. So there is no profit or loss to distribute among the partners. So that's it. This is our solution. I hope आपको ये कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आया है. सिंपली हमने क्या किया है, हमने अप्रोप्रिएशंस पार्टनर्स के ज़्यादा आ रहे थे, राइट. 30,000 आ रहे थे, एक जॉन का 20,000 एंड रॉक का 10,000 आ रहा था, जो कि 30,000 बन रहा था, जबकि हमारे पास प्रॉफिट 15,000 था. तो हम 30,000 इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल नहीं दे सकते थे. जॉन को हम 20 नहीं दे सकते थे और रॉक को हम 10 नहीं दे सकते थे. तो हमने क्या किया, जो उनका इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल था उसको रेशियो में कन्वर्ट कर लिया, और उस जो रेशियो हमें मिला इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल से, उस रेशियो में हमने अवेलेबल प्रॉफिट को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया एज इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल. दैट्स इट. स्टिल इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट यू कैन आस्क इन कमेंट बॉक्स. और हमारी इस वीडियो को प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिए, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कीजिए और बने रहिए हमारे साथ ऐसी ही लेटेस्ट प्रैक्टिकल प्रॉब्लम्स को पाने के लिए. थैंक यू सो मच.